I would like to show my eBay users a free tool. This will save you time on your bookkeeping each month, and it's related to your purchase history. I'm Johnny Petrucco, a sports card tax guy expert. I am a QuickBooks Pro advisor. I take care of bookkeeping for a lot of clients. Each month, I have to log into the eBay account, pull the sales reports, but many eBay sellers purchase things on eBay. So the focus here is whether you're a seller that purchases supplies, shipping, or card supplies, along with product, purchasing cards, or you are using eBay as a way to mainly just purchase inventory. This tool, it won't save you 20 hours, 50 hours, but depending on your volume, it could save you a good chunk of time. It's automated. This is what I prefer, as least manual processes as possible. I always am looking for the quickest automated tools. So this tool that I'm going to share my screen pretty soon will allow you to export all of your purchase history onto a spreadsheet. That way you can now compare what the purchase was and put that into your bookkeeping records. This prevents you from scrolling through the web page, and you sometimes have to click into each order to find the actual price because sometimes there's some coupons and discounts. So let's dive in and I'll show you. Okay, here we are. I'm logged into eBay, and the tool is found by searching in Google. eBay Purchase History Downloader. Should be the first hit. This will bring you to a Chrome web store. And okay, 3.9 stars. I've had no bugs, no issues. You can feel free to read the reviews, but it's fairly straightforward. It'll give you a spreadsheet just like this. It's going to export all of your history. And once you download it to your Chrome, you need to use Google Chrome. It'll come up here as an extension. Once you save your extension right over here, you can go ahead and pin it. So now I have this eBay, there's a typo, purchase. The product has been very good for me, but I don't like seeing, first time I noticed this spelling error. Nevertheless, right now you can only toggle by year, which is okay. I mean, I just filter the months, but you should go ahead and log into your eBay account first. Once you have that extension, click over here, and once you're logged in, go to download. And that's it. Here's the report. Now I already downloaded this, and I'm gonna show you over here. This is my purchase history. Most of these columns are irrelevant. Now what I'm doing is using this order column, and I'm gonna compare that to what's on my credit card, and I can list what I purchased. So I've had a lot of McGuire purchases, but I wanna show you one of my clients and what they purchased. So here we can look at April, March, February. This one doesn't have too much activity, but there we have some mailers. So this is shipping supplies, and we bought some cards, some inventory, and some more shipping supplies, and there's some card supplies. This is normally what I see. One discrepancy you'll notice is these two were purchased on the same order, and this order total column is what's going to match your credit card. So it duplicates itself because it's saying that these two were purchased on the same order. You can see the order number here. It is unusual that it's only $5.80. That's because of the $50 discount that eBay gives for supplies, but it doesn't always match up. Now, this example, we have these two cards, 62 tops, and the total of these two on the bottom, 272 and 272. So when you're looking at your credit card statement, you're basically, if you're on QuickBooks or you do this as a spreadsheet or however, you now can be as detailed as you want. You can copy and paste this whole description here, or sometimes I'll do this, QBO category, because I use QuickBooks a lot. Now, if we can track this in a different spreadsheet, if you're tracking like what your inventory purchases are, then I don't always put the detail in QuickBooks. So maybe we could just say cards. And then this is shipping supplies. Okay, so you can go through here, and then I can compare what I have here on this column. And when I sift through my credit card transactions, it's easy to know exactly what that is. So anyway, I hope some of you love this. This is exactly what I was looking for. This is saving me time. For others, hey, no problem. Just don't use this if it's not useful to you. But I really hope some of you really can find use out of this and can add this into your workflow, into your bookkeeping system, or whatever tracking you're doing. Now, if you need help setting up your bookkeeping system, please reach out. This is what I've been doing for a while. Would be happy to talk to you. I have a link in my description. But otherwise, let me know if you have any questions. And thanks for watching. As Sports Card Tax Guy, I'm helping my clients trade their IRS stress for financial success. Talk to you soon.